Well, as you can tell, can't really fish this weekend. I wish we could, but next weekend we'll be fishing Hampton because stripers apparently have gotten bigger. But it's just freezing rain here. I wish I was in Fairfax since it's, you know, snowing. Apparently it's 2 to 3 inches down here. It's my sister at a horse show. Well, that's pretty much it. Crossing over the bridge to Ocean City now. Still pretty rough. Got some waves breaking right there. But it's only because of the sandbar, because it's very shallow here. We're in the Bay Area, not the ocean. Well, we're at the marina. It's not too pretty. Wind's blowing about, I don't know, 20, 15 knots. It's not too pretty here. Alright. I don't know if you can see those white caps out there, or maybe you can. But here's the ocean. See the inlet right here? And that's the ocean going off Ocean City. And I'm surprised. There's usually fishermen here because they're crazy. Like 30 degrees and they're still fishing. But this is some big waves over here. I bet the ones in distance are about 6 feet. Maybe more. So when these seagulls can't even fly straight. They're having some trouble. See the jetty there?
To the edge.
Okay. There's one guys on the boat over there. They're getting pretty tossed around. The tide's coming out and it's colliding with the waves going in. That surf doesn't look too good. Shoals over there. Alright, this is as far as we're gonna go. These are the waves. That's beach. It might not seem too windy to you on your computer screen, but it is here. Some bad weather. Show 409.